Warning: the following program may contain language and other elements that are not suitable for some audiences. Viewer discretion is advised. You've been fucking warned.
Hey guys, Johnny Farrow here. Happy holidays and welcome to another episode of Musician Kitchen. Today we're not doing a food recipe. We are actually going to do my favorite holiday drink. Now, disclaimer, I'm honestly not much of a drinker. I almost never drink alcohol. It's just not my thing, and especially when I'm performing, it does tend to hinder my ability to deliver, right? But every once in a while, there's a couple times a year where I will partake, and Christmas is one of them because of this drink. It's a Brandy Alexander, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the traditional way, and I'm going to show you a kick-ass, in-your-face, frozen Brandy Alexander that will knock you on your ass. Yes. Okay, so the ingredients here, we got brandy, of course, we have creme de cocoa, heavy whipping cream, and some nutmeg. That's the traditional. And then we're going to be doing some vanilla ice cream for the frozen Brandy Alexander. Again, it's just an incredible recipe. So here we go. And just another disclaimer, guys, it is the holidays. I know that a lot of people are kicking back, having a good time, drinking and all that. Please be sure to do so responsibly. You know, whether you're somebody that's used to the alcohol and has a tolerance or not, it's never cool to drink and then like get in a car and drive, or, you know, just really be safe. Be cool this holiday. Have a good time if you need to, you know, in any way you need to, but just really be responsible about it, okay? All right, on to the beverage. So first of all, we got our shaker. We're gonna throw a couple ice cubes into that shaker, and you really don't need a lot of ice. Honestly, these shakers tend to cool down really quick with very little ice. And then we are gonna start out with a jigger of brandy. And a jigger, for those that don't know, is 1.5 ounces or a shot and a half of alcohol. So, and I'm not using a shot glass or a measure or anything like that. I'm just eyeballing it as usual. Then a jigger of creme de cocoa. And this stuff you can get depending on what region you're in. Some regions it's like the grocery store, Rite Aid, you get the stuff. Some parts of the country I know, or parts of the world, there's specific liquor stores or beer stores, and that's where you have to buy this stuff. But this stuff is pretty readily available. Heavy whipping cream, and I like to give it a little shake before dropping it in there. Again, a jigger of this. So we're doing equal parts of the brandy, the creme de cocoa, and our heavy whipping cream. And then, very simply, we shake it like a Polaroid picture. And as I'm shaking this, I can already feel the metal of this shaker getting nice and cold. You know, shake it for like 10-20 seconds. And then I like to use these cool, this is actually from the dollar store, just a little margarita glass. Strain everything right into there. And that is it, except for the finishing touch, which is a little sprinkle of nutmeg. And bada boom, #1 traditional Brandy Alexander. Cheers to your health. All right, on to my second recipe. And this is where so shit just gets real here, okay? So we're almost totally ditching the heavy whipping cream. Not totally, but we are going to take a blender cup. You know, and you can do this in larger batches. You can totally like just compound this. If you want to make a pitcher of this, you totally can. So we're taking vanilla ice cream. Use your favorite brand of vanilla. I mean, you can try other flavors if you want, but vanilla is just what I use. And do a couple scoops. And I didn't think to do anything to soften this ahead of time, so I'm paying for that now. 2 scoops vanilla ice cream. Where's Popeye when you need him? All right, 2 scoops right in there. Again, we're doing a jigger of brandy. And then a jigger of creme de cocoa. And then I will do a splash of the heavy whipping cream, and that's just to help it blend a little bit because the ice cream is obviously very thick. A little more than a splash. I like cream, what can I say? So now, lid goes on. Make sure whatever cup you're using that you got it on properly, because that'll just make a mess if you don't. And then I'm going to bring my base for my blender over here. Because I'm all about that bass, no treble. Anyway, and we're just going to blend. So I'll try to make this as palatable for your ears as possible. It does get a little loud. All right, and that is all there is to it. Into my margarita cup. And that is the shit right there. A little bit of nutmeg over the top. Voila! Cheers to your health. Oh my God. It's like, I don't even want to talk about what that's like because I'll just get all sorts of ridiculous. So this, again, very easy drink, delicious. If you're not an eggnog fan, this is a fantastic drink to swap out with. It's still got the very rich, creamy, feel and flavor to it. Obviously, adding the nutmeg just makes it super like of the holiday, and it doesn't have the eggs. The raw egg in it, I believe, is what's in eggnog. So some people aren't all about that, or they just don't like the taste. This is such a delicious, just incredible drink. It's a lot of fun. Again, I almost never drink, but this is the one time a year and the one drink where, I'll make an exception for a day or two of the year and enjoy a couple of these because they're just really delicious and nice. They really make me feel like Christmas, and that is great. So guys, again, I'm just going to raise my glass. Happy holidays to you. I hope that you and your family are having a fantastic, safe holiday season. I hope you continue to do so. Have a fantastic New Year. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Festivus. Whatever you celebrate. And until next year, yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker!